Fruit preserves are a great way to incorporate fruits into your cocktails even when they're not in season. Especially if you have some fun varieties to work with, it can make for some really exciting cocktails. Today, we're using this plum and rose jam that goes really well with our gin. Let's build it. Super duper easy. Inside, we're going to make enough for 2 drinks, because I'm sharing. We have some fresh squeezed lemon juice, and then our plum and rose preserves. We are going to add some liquid sugar, and the amount of sugar that you add depends on your jam. So taste it first for the tartness, for the sweetness, and adjust your lemon juice and your sugar accordingly. And then going to add our gin. All right, in goes our ice. And let's shake it up. All right. It's tart, it's sweet, not too sweet, and it's super floral because of the jam that we chose. So good, and it came together in seconds. I hope you guys are excited to kind of rummage your cabinets and see what jams you have on hand and make some cocktails. Cheers.